Hello students, I am Yogita. Welcome you for this learning session. Our subject is psychiatry nursing and today we are going to learn about terminologies. And our today's letter is N. N for nest. Okay, so I hope you all are ready for the class and today we will learn all the terminologies which starts with N. Now first, narcissism. Now the word narcissism means individual is excessively concerned about one's own needs or only about himself. Now the patient, like I am, bother about myself, my need, my wish, my food, my dress, only about myself I am having a concern. So this condition is called narcissism. Next, negativism. Here, a negative behavior is shown by the patient, like motiveless resistance behavior of an individual in spite of after giving certain instruction. Patient not following instruction is doing his own motiveless actions. So, this is what called negativism. Next, neologism. Neologism means a newly coined word patient used in his speech, and this word is not easily understood by others. For example, now you can ask the patient like what you had for your food, what you had for your lunch. Now patient may answer, I had rice and vice. Now rice is okay, what is vice ya kais? So such words there is no meaning and patient is immediately using that in his speech. So this is what called neologism. Next, necroanalysis. Now here it is a kind of therapeutic procedure where we are using certain drug to tranquilize the patient and we are altering the conscious state of mind. Conscious state of patient is altering and encouraging the patient to ventilate his motives, a desire which is there in his unconscious mind. Maybe in general conscious state, patient is not able to explore himself. That's the reason we are using this procedure. Here we are using a slow IV medication. For example, we can use a slow IV injection pentothal. Now after that, after injection, person feel tranquilized. We are altering his state of mind, consciousness. Then the patient is able to explore himself. Patient is able to ventilate his feeling. So this procedure is called as necroanalysis. Now, non-organic encopresis. That means an involuntary passage of feces even after establishing a control over this activity. Like patient may pass feces night time, in sleeping time they may pass the feces in their bed. Sometimes in night or sometimes in situation which they are not supposed to do, then they may behave so. That is what called non-organic encopresis. Next, non-organic enuresis. That means person is passing the urine in spite of after establishing the control over that involuntary activity. For example, now children night time they may pass the urine in the bed. This is called non-organic enuresis. Next, nervous system. The nervous system it consists mainly two parts of brain. Like it consists and the human nervous system is divided into two parts. Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. And the central nervous system constitute two things like brain and spinal cord. And the peripheral nervous system constitute autonomic and somatic system. Next, nerve. Now nerve is a basic element of nervous system. Nerve is a cell with its all the branches. It's called nerves, neurons. Now this neuron has consist nucleus, the cell body and the membrane so that it encloses all the cells. Now this neuron has got three types, three forms in that. Sensory neurons, motor neurons and association neurons. So this is all about terminologies what we are studying today from N. I hope you understood. Keep watching and keep studying so that you will be familiar with all the terminologies. I say thank you to all.